Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I do have the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE and I'm going to tell you how you can easily pair them with your iPhone. So actually this process is no different like on the Android phones, like based on your headphones. The only difference is of course the system. At first go to the settings, and now here in Android you would go to the connected devices, then pair the device. Here the only thing we have to do on our iPhones which is that we have to tap Bluetooth. Here search on Bluetooth, we have to now tap open our headphones case, earbuds case, and here at the bottom you will see this button. You have to click and hold this button once the case is opened for at least, I don't know, 5 seconds. Here now you just have this RGB LED light. I won't comment how this look like, but here as you can see we do have Galaxy Buds 3 FE. The only thing we have to do is to tap our device on the pairing list, and now we do have our headphones in my devices list. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.